Heavy rain around China's capital, Beijing, has flooded houses, torn apart roads, and left at least 20 people dead and 27 missing, state media reported Tuesday. The flooding prompted authorities to close train stations and evacuate people in vulnerable areas to school gyms. Mentugu, a district 40 kilometers west of Beijing, saw dramatic damage on Monday after days of torrential rain turned roads into rivers and washed away vehicles. "I saw the yellowish muddy water surging towards the street," said Mentugu resident Liu Xuanbao. He said he saw his wife running into a supermarket to avoid the water before it gushed inside a minute later. Streets in Mentugu were covered with thick layers of mud on Tuesday after the floodwater receded. Thousands of workers were out clearing debris and mud from the streets.
那时候刚来，我1分钟，我们俩一掉头，他就往超市跑。我再一看，已经往那个水开始往超市灌了，那个特别快，速度特别快。
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification button for more videos.